Prediction markets have seen a dramatic rise in popularity and influence. It's where people can bet on the outcome of real-world events. But after traders appeared to profit from bets placed shortly before strikes on Iran, critics are raising new concerns about insider trading and national security. Ira Spitzer reports for CNA from San Francisco.
Prediction markets like Polymarket and Kalshi have surged in popularity in recent years, enabling users to bet against each other on the outcomes of elections, sporting events, and even major news developments, with prices shifting in real time.
You can predict the future. You're betting yes or no on whether events happen. That can be whether someone wins an election, how much snow is going to fall in your city, who's going to win tonight's NBA game or the Super Bowl.
But the markets drew new scrutiny last week when large bets were placed on U.S. and Israeli strikes on Iran just hours before the attacks happened, raising questions about whether traders might have been acting on inside information.
These wallets that were freshly created bet on Israel and the United States striking Iran right before it happened and winning a lot of money. That's hard to believe that it's not insider trading.
Well, there's no actual evidence of wrongdoing. That's led to fresh calls for regulation of a sector that has seen dramatic growth, with billions of dollars traded on prediction markets during the 2024 U.S. election cycle alone.
I think Congress needs to step in and say, we don't want people betting on elections. By the same token, we don't want people betting on things that are similar to war, assassination, things of that nature.
However, one of the biggest prediction market sites, Polymarket, has some of its operations offshore, making it more difficult for U.S. authorities to regulate. The use of cryptocurrency also allows users to stay hidden. Prediction markets have received a boost from the Trump administration, which has been largely supportive after facing tighter scrutiny from the Biden administration. Donald Trump Jr. is an advisor to both Polymarket and Kalshi. Prediction market advocates, including the Trump administration official Michael Seelig, who oversees them, say they can help businesses and investors better anticipate future risks.
They provide useful functions for society by allowing everyday Americans to hedge commercial risks like increases in temperature and energy price spikes. They also serve as an important check on our news media and our information streams.
But critics say the risks to national security cannot be ignored when betting on events like conflicts and crises can potentially create dangerous incentives to profit from sensitive information. For CNA, I'm Ira Spitzer in San Francisco.